Hey guys, it's your girl Lajana and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you're returning, hey, welcome back. So as you guys can read from the title, I'm doing a couple easy styles for anyone with knotless braids to do. I know that there's a whole bunch of people getting braids right now, especially with the quarantine, and it's such a good protective style. So I thought giving you guys some styles would be great. Also, these of course apply to any type of braid you have. I just particularly have knotless, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alrighty guys, so that was my cute knotless braids hairstyle video for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment, subscribe to all my new subbies. Hi! And thank you guys so much. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.